Have you ever thought to yourself like, hey, I'm a pretty good trader. If only I could help others trade just as good as me. If they could only copy my trades, that would be awesome, wouldn't it? I can help them make money, and then if they put their money into this, I'll be able to earn from their fees just like any hedge fund would be able to do. Well, this is where Apex Protocol Vaults will allow you to do that. Or you could be an investor that, hey, I really don't know how much to trade. I just have a bunch of money, but I really want to find someone who could be able to grow this fund for me. You can find investors who have vaults in Apex Protocol and be able to invest in their vault. You can actually see all the trading history. It's very transparent, and you can see all the profits and loss taken, their average return, and the trend of what they've been doing. Let's go and take a look at more detail. Apex Vaults is basically kind of like a crypto hedge fund for investors to be able to copy trade or invest in your trading skills. You can earn profits with additional capital that you make, and there's unlimited earning potential. So they can invest as much as they like, as big as they like. Okay. Alright, so for vault creators, you'll be able to monetize your trading strategy with vaults. You'll be able to earn 10% from the profits generated. There's no investment caps, and there's unlimited funding potential, so they can put as much as they like. And it's with as little as $100 USDT to start. So for vault investors, you don't need to have any trading experience. You can find vaults that fit your level of safety. You can look at the transparency of the trades, of the current position, of the trading history, the profits and losses taken, and see whether that's the right fit for you. Okay. Now a new product that just came out is called Protocol Vaults. It's a new official product by Apex Protocol. It gives you stable positive returns backed by real protocol fees. So all the liquidations that happen on traders on Apex Perpetual Trading, all those liquidations come as profit into that vault. Okay, so initially they had a cap of $2 million, so we'll see when they want to raise that, and it's almost there. It's at 1.6 million as of this video, and a per user cap of $200,000. So people are definitely taking advantage of this, and I'll show you in a demonstration. Okay, and you can start with as little as $10, and you can redeem at any time after each calculation cycle. Okay, so let's go take a look at the vaults and show you how to get into it and how you can be a creator and go from there. Alright, so this is the vaults. When you come to Apex Protocol, there's definitely the vaults right here. It's trending on fire. Once you click on that, you'll be greeted with this. This is the protocol vault that we talked about. But first, we're going to talk about the user vaults. These are all the traders that have created a vault. You can see the trending history here. Some are active, some are not active. And some are just sitting there, right? So you want to find the ones that are moving here and not a flat line kind of thing. These are active ones that you can see how they made 2.5% within the last 30 days, I believe. This is but the last 30 days. You can see all time what they've made here. So this is the all time, and you can see the actual P&L of each of these traders that you can invest in. Okay, and you can see the snapshot of that. Okay, let's say we'll click on him. You'll be able to see his current balance of his portfolio, the current position that he's in, what are losses, what are gains, right? The trade history, what he's taken profit, his longs and shorts, and what he's closed in profit. So he's taken, these are all the profits he's taken, and then you can kind of see a history of that with the date of all the trades he's made. Okay, the funding fee that the portfolio has taken, any of the subscriptions and redemptions with other investors that have taken money in and out, and the total investors who have invested on there, and how many days they've been active with this account. Okay, so you kind of see how things are done. Now, if you want to be a creator here, you can go ahead and create your own vaults right here. So to do that, you want to click on My Vaults right here, and you can see a history of the vaults that you created and whatnot. You can then click on here, create your vault. For affiliates, we have this fee refund mode. You can want to be, if you're not, you click on standard mode. You click next, enter the vault name, how much you want to start your vault for. You can start for as little as $100. If I don't have any much right there, but with the little as $100, and then create your vault, and then you're on your way to trade and market your vault, and if people join your vault, then you'll be able to earn 10% from your investors. Okay. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the protocol vaults and see what that's all about. All right, with the protocol vault, it is right here. This is the insurance vault, and you can see that it's fairly new, less than, well, almost like a little bit over a week old, and it's already generated about 26% or 32% total in all time. Okay. Total value lock, there's a maximum cap of 2 million for now, but so you have 600K before it's locked out. So with over 106 investors, so far the vaults generate $5,000. That's my share that I've invested into this, and you can see your earnings here. So this is kind of the subscriptions I've created, and so far it has. I think it's only been a few days here. I can say, hey, I can, pull my profits out anytime and confirm it. You can also subscribe and add more USDT if you like, and that is it. That's how you would earn passively with investing in any of these vaults. Okay, so go through them. Look at it and see what kind of vaults that you have. I've created one that's a slow and steady one with 1x leverage. It's only been operating for about 60 months so far. And you can kind of see the net value that's gained over time, the investors that are in here, and how much we've made. Our current position, it's a 1x, so we're just waiting for that to pop back up, and all the profits we've taken. It's usually all positive here, and you kind of see the profits that we've taken from a day-to-day basis. Okay. All right, so that's it for vaults. If you're interested, the link is in the description below, and you'll be able to sign up with Apex Omni and get started with either creating a vault or investing in a vault. All right, we'll talk to you then.